guys, and welcome back to a brand new video with Reece Callum Hutton. Today I'm in Leeds on a Sunday, which is unusual. City Square House is behind me, it's looking absolutely superb. I'm going to have a walk round. I'm going to go to Latitude Blue and see what's new. Right, I'm going to try and cross this road. It's like going to be really hard, but... Okay. I haven't done a vlog in ages, so I'm going to vlog my heart out again today, because I haven't done it in such a long time. I want people to enjoy this video, and I hope it's worthwhile. So yeah, so I'm walking to Latitude Blue. I'm looking forward to it because apparently it's topped out now at 30 stories. I don't know if it's 30 or 32 stories, but I'm looking forward to seeing it. I can see Triangle Yard from here, and that looks good as well. So we'll go there as well. An Arena Point has started coming out of the ground, so that's exciting. So yeah. So I decided to come on a Sunday because it'll be quieter and there'll be less people and stuff. I just think it'll be better for my anxiety and stuff. I'm waiting for it to go green, but it's not working. There's a plane up there somewhere. Oh, it's there, look. So this is Latitude Blue. It looks absolutely fantastic. I actually like it in the sun, it looks amazing. I love the cladding, the brown cladding, it looks really, really nice. That's Mont Bridge, and that's the viaduct I usually walk on. And then this tall building is Latitude Blue. It's looking absolutely super around here, I really like it a lot. Hi guys, so I'm now walking to Triangle Yard. We'll see what's new there, and then we'll carry on the route up to Arena Point and get some lunch. So stick around and there's more to come. So this is Lisbon Square. The floor slabs are nearly catching up to the car now. Another 5 more to go. There isn't any cladding yet on this building, but it's making excellent progress. So as you can see, Sky Plaza is getting recladded. I think they're changing it to black cladding on the front as well by the looks of it. It last got changed in 2018, so only 6 years ago. I think it'll look nicer with darker cladding, to be fair. It's all exciting around this area at the moment. So it looks like they're adding more windows to the side of it. This has always been one of my favourite buildings in Leeds. So if they make it even better, that'll be amazing. So this is Arena Point, going to be the tallest building in Leeds, also known as Cirrus Point. It's going to be 45 stories, 138 metres. As you can see, it's got Yorkshire's tallest building. There's also other tall buildings in the city proposed, so it won't be long until someone else takes the title. But yeah, exciting times in Leeds. This looks like it's going to be a rectangular car. Alta's house were right chunky and square, but this is going to be rectangular. I hope it tops out at full height in the car. I hope that it doesn't gradually go up with the car like Latitude Blue has. But I'm still looking forward to this building. I think it'll be a nice addition to the skyline. So 44 Merrion Street is now complete. I love it so much. I think it's a nice addition to the skyline, a long awaited glass tower. It looks splendid. Hi guys, I'm going home now. I'm just waiting for the train doors to open. So thank you for watching and stay tuned because there's more videos to come in future. Thank you. Bye everyone.